to normal. Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, west central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Maury County in Middle Tennessee, north central Giles County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Pleasant, or 9 miles west of Columbia, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Columbia, Mount Pleasant, Lineville, Santa Fe, Cullioca, Hampshire, Williamsport, and Prim Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here